In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how I painted this lovely Winter Creek painting using acrylics. Hi, I'm Marion Dutton. This was a workshop that took place in February and we painted this winter scene live over on the MazArt Academy. So if you are interested in joining me for my next live workshop and you'd like to find out what my schedule is, do check out the MazArt Academy and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. To prepare for the upcoming live workshop, I always provide my students with a preparation tutorial. Here I'm using a soft filbert and also a makeup brush for doing some blending as well. I'm starting with that lighter centre area and gradually darkening the corners, using some purple to begin with and then gradually going to blue and then adding some blue and black as well, so that we've almost got this lovely vignette effect. Once I've got all the colours in place, I'm then going to use that lovely soft makeup brush to start to blend and soften all those colours. Also going to block in the background trees just using some black acrylic. As we jump to the live class, I'm going to begin working in that background area. I always want to work from the backwards and move forwards in that painting. And you can see I'm just getting some very loose shapes in that background to suggest some distant trees. I'll also start to add some extra blue tones to suggest some of that shadow in the snow area. And now with a stronger, darker mixture, I'm starting to render the trees that are nearer to us in the painting. So with this particular painting, I'm really trying to play warm and cool. So over on the light side of the painting, I'm using a white that has had a touch of orange just to warm it. Block in the river area, the creek area, with a mixture of burnt umber and some black. And then I continue to layer on a lighter and thicker application of snow as we come further into the foreground. As I move forward in the painting, I'll switch to a liner brush so that I'm able to add some finer details to the trees. Here I'm really starting to lay on the snow, very thick and heavy at this point, with much thicker paint and application. And to finish the painting, I'll start to add some little twigs and grasses. And to increase the vibrancy and saturation, I'll add a few glazes, thinning the paint down with some water. And here is the finished painting, completed live on the MazArt Academy, all in acrylic. I really do hope you've enjoyed this acrylic tutorial. With acrylic, it's all about those layers, and with this particular painting, we also added some lovely glazes at the end. So I do hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. If you are enjoying the lessons on this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.